Hi there, Crafty Peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on with another Temu haul. And this haul is definitely enabled by Diana from Diana Loves Colors. Everything that I'm going to show you in this haul is diamond painting related. And if you saw my previous couple of videos, I did join the hashtag Fantasy Life 24 challenge that Diana and Diamond Grandma were hosting last month. And this was the diamond painting that I worked on, and it was the very first one I've ever done. I think it turned out really good, and I think I was pretty smart by choosing something that was small. So this is 20 millimeter by 20 millimeter, and it is just under 6 inches by 6 inches. This was a lot of fun. I enjoyed doing it, and I said, you know, I might like to do that again sometime. So, crazy me, went back to Temu, because that's where I got this one. And everything I'm going to show you in the next couple of minutes was definitely enabled by Diana. So let me put that one aside. And I don't even know why I bought this, but I did pick up 5 more, and this came in a pack of 5 of these little trays that you put the drills in. And my thinking was that I could have several different colors out all at one time. Because the way I did the other picture, the one I just showed you, I only did one color at a time. But sometimes other colors are sort of mixed in, like right here, you've got all this black, and then you have some browns and beiges mixed in here. So my thinking was that I could put different colored drills into each of these, and that way I could just keep working along and I wouldn't just have to do one color. But after I got these, I realized I didn't need to buy these, because every time you buy a diamond painting, you get one in your kit, okay? And I could have just saved them all. But anyway, I have these and I'm happy to have them. So that's that. Then I noticed while I was working on that diamond painting that it was very difficult for me with my old eyes to see all of the little places where the colors went, and they each have a little code. So you're going to have a code on your diamond painting that'll correspond to a color number, a letter or a symbol, and then the actual company color number. And sometimes it was hard for me to see these symbols on the mat itself. So I found this light up pen, and it's kind of neat because it actually has a cap on the top, so it keeps it from being pushed in and wasting the battery. But you take that off and you just push it like a regular pen, and look at it, it lights up. So I think that's going to help out quite a bit, because it puts light right where you need it. So yeah, I thought that was a pretty good little find. So that's that. And also I see the benefit of laying down more than one drill at a time. And the tool that comes with these kits only puts one drill down at a time. So I found this kit super, super cheap on Temu. And it does have the single drill ends on one end. But on the other end, you can fit anywhere from 2 to 5 to 7, I think, is what these will fit. So I think these will be helpful, because I really enjoyed doing that diamond painting, and I plan to do some more. So then, duh, also me, because I'm crazy sometimes, I picked up this pack of 4 of the little wax, I don't know what you call it, it's wax, that you dip these in, and then you pick up the drills with that. And when I got these, I opened it up, and inside, I thought this was just one whole thing. There are actually 3 layers of the wax in each one of these. And how they do this is it's got a little plastic backing on it, and then this is the wax, so you'll take your pen and you'll dip into there and get the wax. Yeah, so anyway, each kit does come with wax, but if I ever need more wax, look at this. I've got a whole bunch of wax here. So yeah, I think I just went a little bit crazy. And then I noticed when I was putting the drills down that sometimes in some places it was hard to keep them straight. So I found this little tool also on Temu that's supposed to help you lay your drills down evenly. So I think what you do is you just lay it down and you put the drills inside the little spaces. Let me give you a close-up. You see how it's got little spaces there? And that way they'll all be in a nice little row. At least I think that's how this works. And if nothing else, It's got a nice straight edge on it, and I thought you can just put it between the rows and push your drills so that they're nice and straight. And most likely that's probably what I would do. But anyway, so that's another little useful tool that I found. And then there's some debate on whether or not you need to seal your diamond paintings. Now, I saw some videos where people swore by the sealing, and it made sense to me. So I went ahead and picked up a sealing kit, and then Diana told me, oh, I never seal any of my diamond paintings. But my little kit came with a 2-ounce bottle of the diamond painting sealer, and it says it's rapid curing, multiple use, all-in-one sealer, non-toxic and safe, clean and gloss finish. And I think I read someplace, and I don't see it on here, that it keeps your diamond paintings from fading from sunlight. I don't know if they would fade anyway, but I'm going to give this a try. So it came with one of these silicone spatulas. It came with a nylon bristle brush. And then it came with this little bristle brush. So I don't know why you get two. But then it also came with a little instruction sheet to tell you how to work it. So I plan to seal this, and I'm going to see about doing a little frame and giving this to my grandson. So that is the diamond painting sealing kit. So here's the basic things that you're going to get in a kit. You're going to get a canvas. You're going to get your 1 drill pen, which is right there. You get the little tray to dump the drills in, and you get some of the wax there. So that's part of your basic kit. You also get all of your drills that you're going to need, and usually you're going to have some left over. And I'm not going to open this up and show them all to you. They're just the colors that are needed in the next diamond painting I'm going to show you. So yeah, I really need to quit, okay? So I picked up a few diamond paintings. So when I bought this one, I actually bought 2. The same size and the same general type of image, and I've already shared those, so I'm not going to share that again. But in the last few hauls, I did pick up a few more. This one is a really pretty hummingbird. So I am definitely looking forward to doing that. I love birds, and we have hummingbird feeders in our yard, so that's going to be super fun. And this is also a 20 by 20, which is about 6 by 6. Then I picked up this sunflower one, also a 20 by 20. Really, really pretty, and it's got a butterfly right here. I think that's a butterfly. So that'll be pretty when I get that put together. And I am a bee lover, so I picked up this bee, and this is a 20 by 30, so I'm just going to show you sideways. So that's going to be really, really pretty. I love the oranges and the yellows and the black all together. I'm looking forward to doing this one. And then the last one I got, and I actually bought this for my sister to try, but after talking to her, I didn't tell her that I bought this for her. I asked her if she thought she would like to do one, and she said, no, I think it'd be too hard on my eyes. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually do this diamond painting, and I'm going to give it to her as a gift. So look at this gorgeous diamond painting. Isn't that pretty? So I think that is Maleficent, or it could be the Evil Queen in Snow White, because you see she has apples here, and this kind of looks like Evil Potion. And I'm going to squinch the screen down so you can see the whole thing. Isn't that pretty? Love the eyes and the makeup on her face. And this is a 40 by 40. So let's see. This is probably 14 by 14. Yeah, so that's going to be real fun to do. Probably take me a long time, but I'll work myself up to this. So anyway, that is my Temu diamond painting haul. Got some tools and some extra supplies. I got myself a couple new kits. And yeah, so besides my paper crafting and the beading projects that I do and whatnot, I guess now I'm getting into diamond painting. Thank you very much, Diana, for enabling me. It was fun. I super duper enjoyed doing it, and you can see that I enjoyed it enough that I picked up some more to do some. I hope you enjoyed this haul. If you're interested in diamond painting, there are a lot of channels out there that do diamond painting. Diamond Grandma does a lot of diamond painting. She's on YouTube and on Facebook. And of course, we have our lovely Diana from Diana Loves Colors. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this. And maybe you'll try some diamond painting yourself sometime. Take my word for it. Start with something small. You'll feel very accomplished when you're done. So thanks for stopping by, and I'll catch you on the next crafty video. See you later, Crafty Peeps. Bye.